November 7, 2025. In the Lipy direction, a well-coordinated ambush resulted in the destruction of a Ukrainian armed forces pickup truck. One soldier was later found disoriented in the forest after losing the vehicle. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. November 7, 2025. In the Konstantin district of Donetsk, Russian drone operators carried out a series of precision strikes against key Ukrainian assets. A UAV control center vital for coordinating aerial reconnaissance and drone operations was identified and neutralized, disrupting enemy surveillance capabilities. Additionally, 2 sabotage and reconnaissance teams were intercepted and rendered ineffective before completing their missions. All actions were verified through objective assessment, highlighting the increasing impact of real-time intelligence and unmanned systems on modern battlefield operations. November 6, 2025, Russian reconnaissance drone operators detected a Ukrainian armed forces reinforcement group. After precisely calculating the coordinates, an attack UAV was deployed, striking the position decisively. Both the position and the equipment were completely destroyed. November 7, 2025, in the forested area of the Sumy region, KVN fiber optic FPV drone operators executed multiple strikes, destroying a 155mm 2S22 Bodana self-propelled gun mounted on an 88x88 Tatra T158 chassis. November 7, 2025, drone operators from the 1234th Regiment conducted operations in the Krashyman's direction, successfully identifying and destroying enemy Humvee vehicles. November 6, 2025, Russian northern drone operators carried out strikes against enemy electronic equipment. The footage shows UAVs destroying 2 radar stations, 5 communication antennas, and 2 Strink satellite communication terminals, demonstrating precision targeting of critical command and control assets. November 7, 2025, a UAV was deployed over a transformer station near the village of Herodnia in the Cherniv region. November 7, 2025, in the footage, elite Russian FPV fiber optic operators, considered the modern war gods of the armed forces, destroy a Ukrainian 155mm 2S22 Bodana self-propelled gun in the Kharkiv region. Russian FPV UAV pilots continue targeting enemy artillery units in the Kupiansk direction, effectively depriving the remnants of the Ukrainian garrison in the beleaguered city of crucial fire support. A Ukrainian ground robotic platform transporting supplies was neutralized by a Russian FPV drone near the Kupiansk area. November 6, 2025, in the ongoing Battle of Zaporizhia, Russian FPV drone operators carried out a decisive strike against a full column of Ukrainian forces in the Sumy region. Surveillance footage captured a coordinated swarm of Russian drones targeting the convoy, disabling vehicles with pinpoint accuracy. The first strike immobilized a key vehicle, forcing the crew and accompanying troops to abandon it in panic. As they fled, a second FPV drone homed in on the disabled machine, delivering a direct hit that triggered a massive explosion, leaving the vehicle completely destroyed and unrecoverable. In addition to targeting the convoy, Russian drones intercepted several Ukrainian infantry groups attempting to advance covertly on ATVs. Their movements were detected and swiftly neutralized through a series of precision strikes. These operations highlight Russia's growing mastery in unmanned warfare, where speed, precision, and close coordination between reconnaissance and strike drones provide a decisive edge on the battlefield. Destruction of a truck equipped with a dryer in the Pavlovka region. The Ukrainian forces' attempt to evacuate the damaged vehicle was unsuccessful. The fiber-optic UAV operator, following a well-practiced procedure, locked onto the target and executed a precise strike with a high-explosive fragmentation charge directly beneath the tank's turret. This was not a random hit, but a deliberate and calculated action, based on a deep understanding of armored vehicle vulnerabilities. As a result, the enemy lost not only its equipment but also the capability to recover or repair it. November 7, 2025, 4 Ukrainian infantrymen were detected by a Russian FPV drone while moving through open ground. Searching desperately for cover, they entered a small structure near a cemetery, but their movements had already been tracked. Moments later, the drone operators launched multiple precision strikes. Explosions tore through the building, reducing it to rubble, leaving no place to hide. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. November 3, 2025, night ambush north of Chasar. Russian North V forces executed a precision strike against Ukrainian troops using drones. After days of reconnaissance, Russian intelligence noted that Ukrainian infantry routinely rotated along the same road at roughly the same time. Exploiting this pattern, Russian command planned a nighttime ambush with strike drones equipped with precision drop systems. As the Ukrainian troops advanced along their familiar route, drones launched under cover of darkness. Footage shows the unsuspecting infantry entering the kill zone, after which the drones released their payloads in perfect synchronization. Explosions lit the night sky, scattering the column and inflicting heavy casualties. The operation was swift, coordinated, and decisive. November 2, 2025, Russian forces secure Pavlovka after intense fighting in the Zaporizhia region. Footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense shows the battle for control of the settlement. The assault was led by Primorsky soldiers from the 60th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade, part of the 5th Army within the vast military group. Russian troops successfully expelled Ukrainian forces from fortified positions and captured over 5 square kilometers on the right bank of the Yenshcher River. Pavlovka is a strategically important location, and its capture enables further advances into Ukrainian-held territory. The battle highlighted the growing effectiveness of Russian assault units in combined arms operations, integrating infantry, armor, and aerial reconnaissance to overcome resistance. With Pavlovka under Russian control, forces are expected to advance toward Espanovka, Privoy, and Gyulipol, settlements crucial for Ukrainian logistics. Securing these areas could disrupt enemy troop rotations and supply lines, further enhancing Russian operational advantage in this sector. The success at Pavlovka, while part of a localized offensive, reflects the ongoing intensity of the southern Ukraine conflict, where both sides continue to contest tactical and strategic dominance.